trucks,
Yeah.
and end up all over the place.
You don't want your best gear on for that then, do you?
Oh, that was amazing, Steve.
Thank you so much.
No worries. We caught it just in time before I went to work.
Yep.
Yeah, when are you leaving?
Probably Saturday afternoon. I'm going to, where am I going? Olympic Dam.
Where's that?
North of, it's on the way, sort of on the way to Cooper Pedy.
Oh, wow, WA.
No, it's up in it's in South Australia, but north of Port Augusta, heading towards Alice Springs.
Oh!
Yeah.
Jeez.
Lucky you got all your swish bang aircons.
Yeah, no, probably do. So,
Yeah.
Bridges.
yeah. So I'll head off, it takes about 14 hours to get there from here.
Jeez.
14, 15 hours.
God.
Holy crap, you've got some story, didn't you? This is a woman's truck, isn't it?
Doctor Who's TARDIS, like a woman's handbag.
This is amazing. You've even got emergency exit.
Yeah, both doors, yeah.
What's it? That's like, what do you use that emergency exit for? So,
I suppose you could pop the both doors open and jump out there if you had to.
right.
I suppose if it was in a rollover or something like that.
Oh, this one's got a fly screen, so you can open it up and get a nice cool breeze.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, they don't miss much with them. Like, and when guys buys them, he dresses them up like this, puts all the gear in them for the drivers.
What a bloody awesome bloke, eh?
Yeah.
I like him. He's a great bloke.
Yeah, he's a good fella, guys.
Yeah. I love guys that have made some money, but then they basically look after all their team.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like a big family.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what you want. And
Yep.
then you got people that you just then when you're stuck with getting drivers, they're the ones that get them. Keep them.
Yeah.
No one
Well,
wants to leave
it's funny that, they've ran an ad here a few weeks ago,
Yeah.
and there's companies that have got trucks parked up that are really struggling to get drivers.
Yeah.
And we've got blokes flocking to the place.
Oh, they've got a name, a reputation.
Yeah.
Reputation.
You're not driving shitty old trucks either. You're driving good trucks.
Yeah, good kenworths and stuff, so yeah. Thank you